Good evening, traders. Hope you all doing good. Risk disclaimer: all information provided on this video is for educational purpose only and is not intended to provide any financial advice. Any statements regarding profits expressed or implied does not represent a guarantee, and the video is not about copy trade service. Okay, so we had our open above previous day's high. We just came down, tested and rejected this supply zone here. Okay, the initial supply zone. Let me mark that. So if you see that zone, yeah, so basically this zone got rejected, okay, which we mentioned yesterday. 960 to 11,000. okay, this was the 40-point range we mentioned. So at 980 it got rejected. So this is where I want to take a chance. I played a put with stop loss just below day's low of that put, whatever been made after this rejection. Okay, so I covered it here. Neither this 11,000 had taken comfortably during the initial period for us to go long, or it tested 10,880 rejection to go for a long. So none of this had played. So this was, if you are a conservative trader, this is a day you should be a spectator. Okay, someone asked me a question. I mean, like, sir, you said till 10,880 it is not wise to go short. Yeah, exactly. But here I played an aggressive short. I just covered it for a scalp. Okay, a 1:1 or 1:2 trade. That is what I planned for. So whatever I mention in this video is just for a conservative player who want to protect his capital, who don't want to trade often, who wait and take a trade. So here all the views expressed are for conservative traders. If you are a conservative trader, definitely you wouldn't short it here, at least. This was a classic example of how the stop loss hunt been done. Okay, a bullish day on Friday followed by a sideways move, where this move, okay, where I'll put it on a 5-minute chart so you can see it easily. I'm just talking a pure psychology thing. After getting this move, you see lot of people started shorting the markets, also giving short calls with stop loss above 11k and 11,020. So most of the stop losses had been placed above the round number, thinking this is the rejection. Okay, I always say this: market maker needs some liquidity for their big orders, either to book profits or either to enter new position. They need, because if I am a market maker, let's say having 10 crores, if there is a retail trader of say like 10 lakh, we need nearly 100 retail traders to match my money, correct? So the same way you think on a volume terms. If we want to short say like 2 lakh quantity of, or say like 7 lakh quantity of Nifty future here, I couldn't have much liquidity at one place. Only during the stop loss hunts, because retails will have, or I mean most of the retails would keep their stop losses here. Only on hunting this, I will have a large liquidity here. If you see the volume, you can understand that better. See this. Once it broke 700, okay. Once it broke 700, see, that was the highest volume, comparatively highest volume. So this is where they will get their liquidity for exit or for entry. That we will come to, that we need to dig out later. But as of now, a bullish day followed by a sideways move and a dip where it happened at previous resistance zone. Just connect all the dots what I am talking. Just happened at previous resistance zone, which made most of the retails to go short. Hey, this is resistance, man. Previous resistance, let's go short because market is giving up. But being a round number of 11k, having a bullish day prior day, and we never breached this OTF buying point, or say like OTF giving up point 10,880 or 860 level. So I know there is a stop loss hunt move waiting above this round number. That's why once it came, I tweeted, by this time most of the people would win short keeping a stop loss above 11k. I am reading this on a psychology basis that those stop losses will be hunted above 11k or till 11,020. That is what exactly happened. So here you need to read the psychology again of these, behind these moves. What is the psychology behind this move? Why this move is being planted? What is the role of this move? And that is the main thing. I use market profile. My way of using market profile is for that. Rest all people who use market profile, they use in a textbook way. Okay. See, you can use candlestick in a different manner than what's been taught on the textbook. You can use RSI in a different manner than what's been taught on the book. Same way I am using market profile, which is not taught on textbook, but on my own experience of this last 15 years. I want to know, I want to use market profile to know what I am not going to do and what is the intention of the big players. So that is the way I use market profiles to find these things. Okay. Okay, coming back to Bank Nifty. So it cleared this POC as I mentioned. It took a support there. Okay, and even it resisted here. So basically it completely traded, this POC. So it basically traded between the POC of 22,170 and 22,440. If you see that, it had been just played within this. So it completely auctioned between the first 1 hour range, IB. Okay. So nothing happened on Nifty and Bank Nifty to make a trade. Just a busy, a market maker would got his liquidity, and a retail trader who was busy just making lot of trades here had given up or made huge losses today. Okay. So that is why I say you need to know the art of when to stay away from the market. Now coming back, what to expect tomorrow. Okay, Basically this is the range of resistance. Okay, so I need market to show some sign going about 11,050 tomorrow to show a sign of strength. If it opens flat, I want the price to push above 11,050 to show me the sign of strength of bulls. On pullback, I will be buying, looking for 11,075 and 11,100. Okay. On the other hand, if we break 10,980, okay, if we break 10,990 and goes below 980, on pullback I will be shorting, looking for 10,960 and 945. Okay, or this time we will test this 10,880. Strong bears will emerge only if we break 10,880 or 10,860. If you are a conservative trader, try to avoid shorts until we break this zone tomorrow. Okay, so in case if we struggle to cross 11,040 or 11,050, okay, I expect price to mean revert towards, I mean like come down towards 10,965 to test and close here around 10,945 in case. Okay, I mean test this 10,945. Bank Nifty, you need to watch how 22,500 goes. Okay, if 22,000, if it is a gap up about 22,400, I want to see how 22,500 goes. If 22,500 takes comfortably on pullback, I will be buying, looking for 22,650 and 22,775. On lower side, if we break 22,200 on pullback, I will be shorting, looking for 22,000 and 21,900. Okay, until unless, as mentioned yesterday, until unless we don't breach this 21,700 or 750 mark, this market might go bullish only. Okay, the longer, I mean the OTF guys will hold the market for bullish auction. Stock front, OI front, 11,000, 10,900 and 10,800 are the nearest strikes which have highest open interest on put side. On call side, 11,000 and 11,200. On change in open interest front, 10,900 and 11,000 on put side. On call side, it is 11,100, 11,200 and 11,400 even. Okay, so some sort of move likely to happen tomorrow. So tomorrow I feel like it is going to be a high volatile day. Okay, the way this options or build up, I mean like I feel like tomorrow it's going to be a volatile day. Coming back to the stock which I mentioned, so this never breached the trend line. Okay, so it was out of question to short. So this stock having a I mean like results tomorrow, I guess. Okay, closed near day's high. So I don't find any stock ideas, because most of the time, I mean stocks been trading sideways. So we need some sort of trending move to happen in index, then I will look for stock trades. Okay, so that's it for today guys. As always, respect your trading capital and your risk. Protect your capital, that should be your number one goal. If there is a trade, wait patiently. Trade will come back to you. Trade will show to you. Market will show a trade to you. Don't allow your monkey mind to blabber and just chase a move and get caught. Okay, always wait patiently. Good night guys, catch you all on next episode. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Bye.